Okay, so this is a Veglia fuel tank gauge and sending unit, actually out of a Pantera. And, you know, a lot of times these cars sit for a long time, and what happens is lacquer builds up on the resistor, on that little moving resistor in there, and becomes intermittent. And in this case, yes, we were able to save the original resistor on there through cleanup. There's also a little grounding problem with these because the float arm that moves up and down actually grounds on the inside of the operation, because the other end of the float arm is the wiper brush for the resistor. In any case, we attended all that, cleaned it all up, and got it working. And here's the proof of the pudding. So go ahead, Matt, and show us the operation here. As you can see, he's lifting it up, and now we're descending. Go ahead. Or ascending, because of course this goes from the top down. So full is when the float is up, and empty is when we're down at the base of its range.
And we also have the warning light set up there.
Oh yeah, so there's a fuel tank warning light in this as well. So there's two terminals on the top of this thing. One is for the variable resistance. Of course, we've got it grounded as well. And the other one is just an on-off switch that's about at, you know, a couple gallons left in the tank. So watch the needle on our ohmmeter, and bingo, the light is on. You're about out of gas. This is where Kramer loves it, to drive in that red light on range. Okay, so everything works fine now. Thank you so much for sending the gauge so we could clarify this. And that's our story, and we're sticking to it. Thank you.